Hello students, today we will discuss next topic, that is corrosion, as well as I will allot some homework. Okay, so watch this video carefully. Okay, so first of all we will discuss some topic and later we will discuss about homework. Okay, so what is corrosion, student? Already you have studied in class 8th 9. Corrosion is the slow eating of which metal. Slow eating of metal is known as corrosion. Okay, suppose slow eating mean decay. You can say decay of metal by the action of air, moisture, etc. is known as corrosion. Okay, but what is rusting, student? What is rusting? Okay, corrosion of iron is known as rusting. Corrosion of iron means slow decay of iron, slow eating of iron is known as rusting. Okay, so we will discuss rusting of iron, how does it work. Okay, so student, in the metal plate or metal article of iron, a redox reaction takes place. A redox reaction mean here electrochemical cell is formed in which anode and cathode are there. Okay, so anode will act as pure metal rod, pure iron, and cathode will act the hydrogen ion of water or some other impurities. Mean if your iron article is pure, mean no impurity is there, then it will not rust. मीन फॉर रस्टिंग इम्प्योरिटीज आर नेसेसरी. इंडिया में भी एक जगह है जहाँ पर एक आयरन का पिलर है, उस पर रस्टिंग नहीं है, प्योर आयरन है वो, इसका मतलब. ओके, सो फॉर द रस्टिंग यू नीड टू टाइप्स ऑफ मेटल. ओके, सो हियर आयरन विल एक्ट एज एनोड एंड इम्प्योरिटीज विल एक्ट एज कैथोड. एट एनोड ऑक्सीडेशन विल अकर एंड कैथोड रिडक्शन विल अकर. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो लुक हियर, what will happen to the anode? So anode, that is iron, will act as anode. It will lose its electron and it will be changed into ferrous iron. Okay, so what will happen at the same time? Water molecule will get dissociated into H positive and OH negative. Okay, and some part of water molecule will react with the carbon dioxide. इसका मतलब अगर आपके environment में carbon dioxide है तो rusting fast होगी. अब आप ये समझ सकते हो क्यों. बिकॉज इट विल फॉर्म कार्बोनिक एसिड H2CO3 एंड दिस कार्बोनिक एसिड विल प्रोड्यूस H आयन, और H आयन जो होंगे वो आपकी इस कैथोड पे जाके रिड्यूस हो जाएंगे. मीन सो फ्रॉम वेयर यू गेट दीज H आयन, यू गॉट दीज H आयन फ्रॉम कार्बोनिक एसिड. क्योंकि प्योर वाटर तो वैसे भी लेस डिसोसिएट होता है, वेरी पुअर इलेक्ट्रोलाइट इज देयर. ओके, सो but when this water will react with the carbon dioxide, then it will form carbonic acid, that is H2CO3, and this H2CO3 will produce these H positive ion, और इन H positive ion का क्या हो जाएगा, कैथोड पर रिडक्शन हो जाएगा. ओके, मीन these H positive ion will gain the electron and will be changed into the nascent hydrogen, and this nascent hydrogen again will react with the atmospheric oxygen. यानी कि अब यहाँ से दो चीज़ आई, एयर से आई कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड and second is oxygen. Mean carbon dioxide and oxygen will enhance the process of rusting. अगर ये नहीं होते तो आगे की रिएक्शन नहीं होते. If carbon dioxide will not be there, then carbonic acid will not form. Carbonic acid will not form, mean H positive, we will not get H positive ion, and these H positive ion will not reduce at cathode, and these H ion, sorry not ion, this nascent hydrogen will not react with the oxygen and it will not form the water at the surface of metal. So what will happen? So these H positive ion which are coming from the acid and this oxygen which is coming from the कहाँ से, air, and these 4 electron which are coming from the anode and result in the formation of plenty of water which is sufficient to cause the rusting. Okay, so student, what will happen? Look here, I am writing these two reactions simultaneously. Look here, iron changed into the ferrous ion by losing its 2 electron, and oxygen from the air, H positive ion from the acid, and 4 electron from the again anode, we are getting water. Mean we have two things, Fe2 positive ion and water. Now what happens next? Okay, so अगेन दिस Fe2 पॉजिटिव आयन एंड वाटर ऑलरेडी वी हैव फॉर्म्ड हेयर, ये बना लिया ना हमने यहाँ पर. अगेन दिस विल रिएक्ट विद द एटमॉस्फेरिक ऑक्सीजन, यानी कि ऑक्सीजन फिर से आ गई. मीन ऑक्सीजन इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन. सो यू विल गेट द Fe2O3. क्या बन गया ये आपका Fe2O3 फेरिक ऑक्साइड. एंड दिस फेरिक ऑक्साइड विल रिएक्ट विद द, जो इसने बहुत देर से वाटर बना के रखा हुआ था, एंड रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हाइड्रेटेड फेरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड. एनी मॉलिक्यूल 2, 3, 4, 5 कुछ भी हो सकते हैं. एंड रिजल्ट इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ व्हाट Fe2O3 into XH2O, and this is the formula of rust. Again I am telling student, this is very easy. First what happened, I am reducing the size. First what happened student, water is, you can skip this reaction. Water is reacting with carbon dioxide and forming the carbonic acid, and this carbonic acid is releasing H positive ion. Okay, you can also remove this equation. Okay, you can also skip this equation. Now what will happen, you will write at the cathode what, these H positive ion in the presence of atmospheric oxygen and the electron loosed by the iron will form water. ये एक रिएक्शन ये हो गई, दूसरी रिएक्शन ये हो गई, एक ऊपर रह गई आयरन वाली, ठीक है ना. नाउ यू विल राइट ऑल दीज इक्वेशन साइमल्टेनियसली. कैसे, ऊपर वाली जो है ये और एक ही वाली जो रिएक्शन लिखी हमने. ओके, एंड यू सम अप द रिएक्शन. यू गॉट दिस वन, मीन Fe3 पॉजिटिव आयन इज देयर. Okay, further oxidation is there, na? So these ferric ion again will react with the oxygen and water will form ferric oxide, and this ferric oxide will react with the water to form rust. It is clear or not? पहले बस ये ध्यान रखेंगे, पहले फेरस बन रहा है and after further oxidation in the presence of oxygen it is forming ferric. It is forming ferric, Fe3 positive. Okay, so factor affecting corrosion. First, reactivity of metal. If metal is highly reactive, corrosion will be easy. Sodium का rusting और भी fast हो जाएगा. Rusting will, I will not say rusting, corrosion. Okay, because sodium is more reactive. How will you come to know it is more reactive? By checking the reduction potential. Higher the reduction potential, less the reactivity. Already I have told you in the electrochemical series. Second is presence of impurities in metal. What I told you, if impurities will be there, then rusting will be fast. If no impurity is there, then rusting will not occur. Mean impure metal will act as cathode and pure part will act as anode. So there is a formation of electrochemical cell, that is galvanic cell. And third point is presence of air. O2 ने बार बार आके आयरन को चेंज किया Fe+2 में, then Fe+3 में. Moisture which form the carbonic acid with carbon dioxide. So moisture is necessary. And carbon dioxide, it will react with the water to form carbonic acid, and this carbonic acid will produce the H positive ion. Okay, and presence of electrolyte. Presence of electrolyte mean if salt is there, then rusting will be fast, because this electrolyte will increase the rate of reaction. Mean corrosion in the seawater. Seawater has NaCl, उसमें क्या हो जाएगी, बहुत फास्ट हो जाएगी. Okay, presence of protecting coating is there. If protecting coating is there over the metal, then rusting will not occur, क्योंकि इस coating ने इसके पास ना तो ऑक्सीजन आने दी, ना मॉइस्चर आने दी, ना कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड आने दी. Then how will rusting will occur? Prevention of corrosion. First is barrier protection. Barrier protection mean you can provide some coating over the iron article, and it will not allow the entry of air, moisture, carbon dioxide. As a result, these three factors will not come in the contact of iron, so iron article will not get rust. Second is sacrificial protection. Sacrificial protection mean just make the coating of highly reactive metal, or no need to make the coating. Suppose you have an iron pipe, just tie a band of magnesium ribbon. This is the iron pipe and this is magnesium, so you need to touch the magnesium only. So here magnesium is more reactive, so now it will act as anode. ये एनोड नहीं बनेगा अब आपका, और जो एनोड होता है उसी का ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. Mean you have a pipeline of your submersible, then you can tie a magnesium ribbon upside, तो आपकी पूरी पाइपलाइन जो होगी उस पर रस्ट नहीं लगेगा, चाहे वो अंदर भी क्यों ना हो, because now magnesium will get oxidized. Okay, and electrical potential. Electrical potential you have studied in the 11th class, okay, by coating a less reactive metal, okay, using anti-rust solution. Some solution are there, some paint are there, okay. So student, this is all about your rusting and corrosion. So today we will discuss up to corrosion and rusting. Now we will discuss about homework, and tomorrow I will tell you about the battery. This is very important, you may get one question from this topic. So now come to the what will be the homework. In your homework, first question is that you will write all important formulas of chapter number 1, that is solid state, chapter number 2, that is solution, and chapter number 3, that is electrochemistry. All important formula, okay, which we have used for the numerical, because from these 3 chapters definitely you will get one numerical of 2 or 3 marks. If you will not learn the formula, then how can you calculate, okay. So you will write all these formula and you will learn. First question, okay, I will check. Second question is that this is your project. This is what? This is your project work. So I allotted one project for each student, and here student, I didn't write your name, just this is according to your roll number, okay, and roll number will be of your 11th class roll number, okay student, because 12th class roll number you didn't get na. So according to your previous year roll number, student, again I am repeating, according to your previous year, that is of 11th class roll number, okay, these projects are there. Mean roll number 1, for roll number 1, name of project is carbohydrate, and student, this chapter is chapter number 16. You will get this topic from chapter number 14, that is biomolecule. In your book a chapter is there and name of chapter is biomolecule. When you will study chapter biomolecule, then you will get a topic that is carbohydrate, okay. So roll number 2 will get the classification of medicine. Name of the project is classification of medicine. Roll number 2, for roll number 2, okay, 11th class roll number, classification of medicine. And this is from chapter number 16, that is chemistry in everyday life. You will write all classification of medicine along with the example. Third is the amino acid. So student, amino acid is also from चैप्टर बायोमोलिक्यूल, मीन जो रोल नंबर 1 को मैंने दिया था कार्बोहाइड्रेट, ओके. सो अगेन इट इज़ फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 14, दैट इज बायोमोलिक्यूल. फॉर रोल नंबर 4, नेम ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट इज colloid and its application. For roll number 4, it is colloid and its application. So student, you will get this topic from chapter surface chemistry, okay, chapter surface chemistry. I think this is chapter number 5th, okay, chapter number 5th, surface chemistry, colloid and its application. For roll number 5, colligative properties, already I have taught you. It is from chapter number 2 and name of the chapter is solution. You will write each colligative property, that is depression in freezing point, elevation in boiling point, osmotic pressure and relative lowering in vapor pressure, and formula of each topic, okay. Roll number 6th is getting electrochemical series and its application. It is from chapter 3rd, that is electrochemistry. Already I have taught you. Roll number 7 is getting primary and secondary cell. Tomorrow I will taught you this topic, and this is again from electrochemistry. Chapter number 8, packing efficiency, already I have taught you, and it is from solid state. Okay, not chapter number 8. Roll number 9 will get adsorption and its application. Roll number 9. And adsorption and its application you will get from the chapter surface chemistry. Okay, surface chemistry. Very important topic, student. रोल नंबर 10 विल गेट रिफाइनिंग टेक्निक, स्पेलिंग ठीक कर लेंगे आप, रिफाइनिंग टेक्निक्स की स्पेलिंग, ओके, एन रह गया इसमें. सो रिफाइनिंग टेक्निक्स इज फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 6, दैट इज जनरल प्रिंसिपल एंड प्रोसेसेस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इवन इन 2021 board examination, definitely you will get one question from this topic. Okay, so this will work for 15 marks for practical and 1 to 2 marks for your board examination. Okay, so this is very very important. Me in roll number 10 is very lucky. Now roll number 11, extraction of aluminum and silver. Again general principle, again this is very important. Even you can take you have studied in class 10th also, extraction of aluminum and silver, very important. Roll number 12 will get the preparation of sulfuric acid. Acid is left, student, you will make the correction. Sulfuric acid and its reaction. So it is from P block elements, student, P block elements, and you will get this from group number 16, sulfuric acid. Okay, roll number 14 will get preparation reaction of alcohol. Now organic has started, alcohol, phenol and ether. Chapter number 12, alcohol, phenol and ether. Chapter number what? 12. Okay, now next is distinguished test for amines. Very very important. Definitely in 2021 you will get one question from this topic. Okay, so it will work for 15 marks for your practical examination and 1 marks for your 2021. So nitrogen containing compound. Okay, so it will be from chapter number बायोमोलिक्यूल से जस्ट ये पहला चैप्टर है. ओके, आई थिंक 13, चैप्टर नंबर 13. Again from chapter number 13, separation of amine. For roll number 15 I am giving it this topic, separation of amine. Okay, Hoffman method is there, okay, very very important. Hinsberg method, very important, student. Okay, now 16th, roll number 16, again very lucky because he or she is getting 30 name reaction of organic chemistry. Okay, alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone. Just go to the back side of book, then you will get naming reaction. Very easy to prepare this project, and 100% definitely you will get 2 to 3 marks in your examination. I will show to the name reaction when you will join the classes. Okay, so this time board asked 3 name reaction. Okay, so out of 30 definitely you will get 1 to 2. Okay, question number 17, roll number 17, potassium permanganate preparation and its reaction. Again he or she is securing some marks in board exam, that is 2021. 15 तो आपको मिल ही रहे हैं. You are also securing some marks in your board examination. I am making my signature. You can show to me last कि सर आपका बताया प्रोजेक्ट में से कुछ नहीं आया था. Okay, next is again so these topic are from which chapter, student? I told you again, organic chemistry I have told about up to here, and potassium permanganate D and F block, same. Potassium dichromate D and F block. Okay, next is crystal field splitting theory, important. Roll number 19 will get crystal field splitting theory. It will be from coordination compound. Okay, I think it is chapter number 9 or 10, something like this. Okay, coordination compound, just before the organic chemistry, coordination compound is there. And now polymer. Okay, so this student understand the concept. Roll number 20, listen carefully. In polymer you will write classification of polymer, and example of polymer with their monomer unit and uses. If you build these 3 points, definitely you will secure 3 to 4 marks in your board examination and 15 marks in your practical. That is 18 to 19 marks you can secure in your June holidays. Okay, student. Now again carbohydrate. Now I have repeated the experiment. Okay, up to 20 students, each students got the different experiment, but up to roll number 21 to 40 I have repeated the project report. Okay, so roll number 21 has सिमिलर प्रोजेक्ट, ओके, लाइक रोल नंबर 1, जो रोल नंबर 1 का है वही 21 का है, ओके. फॉर 22, ओके, अगेन क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मेडिसिन, रोल नंबर 23 अमाइनो एसिड, ओके. सो आई एम जस्ट स्क्रॉलिंग डाउन द project, just note your roll number and the name of project, okay. 22 classification of medicine, 23 amino acid, 24 colloid and its application, 25 colligative property, 26 electrochemical series and its application, 27 primary and secondary cell, okay. I didn't told you about the primary and secondary cell, it's mean I have skipped for primary and secondary cell. Yes, roll number 7, student. Who is roll number 7? Sorry, roll number 7 having primary and secondary cell. Okay, similarly, roll number 27 will have the primary and secondary cell. 27 packing efficiency, 28 packing efficiency, 29 adsorption and its application, 30 refining, 31 extraction of aluminium, 32 preparation of sulfuric acid and its reaction, same 33, 34, 35. Just take the screenshot of this video, okay. Student, if you have any doubt, write in the comment box. I am there to solve your problem, okay. Thank you, goodbye. Just check one more time. Look here, student, okay. Roll number 1, 2, 3, these are roll number, just, okay. Sequence is the roll number according to your 11th class roll number. Just choose the project and start doing the work. Finish it in June, okay. I will check in the July. Goodbye.